Massive breaking news right here. In a somber conclusion to a case that gripped the nation, the High Court has delivered a guilty verdict against Christopher Onyum. Onyum was convicted on 4 counts of murder following the horrific killings of 4 toddlers at a daycare facility in Gaba. The prosecution successfully argued that Onyum acted with calculated malice, shattering the safety of a space meant for protection. Presiding over the emotional session, the judge noted the unspeakable cruelty inflicted upon the innocent victims. Families of the deceased wept as the verdict was read, finally seeing legal accountability for an act of senseless violence that devastated their community. Sentencing is expected to follow shortly and today at 3 p.m. Remember, this has been a world news and I think it will go global.
Norwecho akanyiza ne ba assessa nga bwe bamuwabula nga bagamba nti aboludde olwabi baleeta obujulizi obumala okulaga nti omuwawaabirwa nga ayina ekigendererwa ate nga mu bumenyi bw'amateeka yatta bano abaana abana.
This court finds that the prosecution has proved all the ingredients of the offense of murder in the 4 counts against the accused person, Christopher Onyum. The accused person is accordingly found guilty of the murder of Iteso in count 1.
Norwecho kooti esanze ng'omusango ogw'okutta Musinga,
Keisha Agenoroth in count 2, Seryange Ignatius in count 3,
Singa,
and Odeke Ryan in count 4.
Negw'okutta Odeke Ryan nagwo gumusinga.
In agreement with the joint opinion of the assessors,
akkiriza n'empabula y'aba assessor,
I hereby convict Christopher Onyum of the offense of murder.
Asingisiza Christopher Onyum omusango gw'obutemu
Contrary to sections 171 and 172 of the Penal Code Act Cap 128 in count 1 for the murder of Iteso Gideon.
Era amusingisiza omusango gw'obutemu nga kiri mu kitabo kya bibonerezo Kawayiro 171 ne 172 olw'okutta Iteso Gideon.
Count 2 for the murder of Keisha Agenoroth Otim.
Ne Keisha Agenoroth Otim
in count 2.
Omusango gw'okubiri.
Count 3 for the murder of Seryange Ignatius.
N'omusango gwokusatu gw'okutta Seryange Ignatius.
And count 4 for the murder of Odeke Ryan as indicted.
N'omusango gw'okuna gw'okutta Odeke Ryan nga bwe bamuteekako emisango egyo.
Could we take a break? It's a healthy break.